Hello everyone, welcome back to Tina Teach IELTS Band 3.5 to 4.5, lesson number 10. For today, we'll be learning about reading of Unit 1 Home. So for our lesson for today, we're going to practice paragraphs comprehension and then answering questions based on what we've read. Living in halls. Let's go through the paragraphs one more time. Living in halls is an exciting time for many students. It is often their first time living away from home. The rooms are usually quite small. The windows are also small, so it can be quite dark inside. For some students, it is often too hot because the heating is controlled by the university and not the individual student. The beds are comfortable, but it is not 5-star luxury. Living with lots of other students can also be very noisy. So, why are these dark, uncomfortable, and noisy rooms popular? They could rent a house with friends or get a private bedsit or flat, but many students love halls. Why? You meet some of the best friends you make in your life. It is such an exciting time that students quickly forget the halls and just have fun meeting others from around the world. So here are our questions. Where do most students live before going to university? Number 2. Why are the rooms sometimes dark? Number 3. What can be the problem living with other students? Number 4. What other types of accommodations are there for students? Number 5. Why do students love halls? Alright, you can rewind the video or pause the video to look through the paragraphs one more time and then answer on your own. And then we can move along to once again checking the answers. I hope that you answer all the questions correctly and properly. And now let's check your answers. Okay, number 1. Let's go back to what number 1 is. Where do most students live before going to university? They live at home. Number 2. Why are the rooms sometimes dark? They are dark because the windows are small. Okay, number 3. What can be the problem living with other students? It can be very noisy, right? Because there's more people. Noisy. Number 4. What other types of accommodations are there for students? Accommodations are basically types of places or buildings that you can live in. So the different types of accommodations are a house, private bedsit, or a flat. Number 5, last question. Why do students love halls, right? So they love halls because you can meet some of the best friends you make in your life. And you can have fun meeting people from around the world. Alright, I hope you answered the questions all correctly. Let's move on to reviewing the vocabularies that we've learned today. Home. Home. Windows. Windows. Rent. Rent. Private. Private. People. People. With me here today. I hope to see you next time. Remember to like and subscribe. And remember, learn today, better tomorrow. Goodbye.